How to remove or disable Captcha from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Official Help Text. Now let's get started. Open Chrome browser. Now at the very top you can see this search box. Over there type in Buster Captcha Solver for Humans and search for it. Now click on this very first option. Open it. You will need to add this extension to your Chrome, so click on this option, Add to Chrome. Now click on Add Extension. It's in the process, so wait for a few seconds. After it has been added to your Chrome, now you can open a new tab to check whether it works or not. Now type in Captcha Demo and search for it. Now click on this very first option, open it. Now you can check in for this option, I'm not a robot. With that you are good to go. So this is how you can remove or disable Captcha on your Google Chrome. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.